welcome to Start Auto's Time. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic American muscle cars that blends raw power with sharp handling, the Chevrolet Camaro SS 1LE. This isn't just your average Camaro. The 1LE package transforms it into a track-ready beast offering serious performance that can hold its own against much more expensive competitors. Let's start with what makes the SS 1LE special. Under the hood, it packs a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine that roars to life with 455 horsepower and 455 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a slick-shifting 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, manual only, which delivers that pure muscle car experience every gearhead dreams about. The 0-60 mph time is around 4 seconds flat, but the real story here isn't just straight line speed. It's how this car handles. Chevrolet tuned the 1LE for track performance. It comes with magnetic ride control, performance-tuned suspension, and massive Brembo brakes that give you confidence going into corners. The tires are sticky, Goodyear Eagle F1 supercar rubber wrapped around lightweight 20-inch wheels. And when you look at it from the outside, you know it means business. Matte black hood, aggressive front splitter and rear spoiler. It's a car that looks fast even when it's parked. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. Recaro performance seats hold you tight during spirited driving, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and short-throw shifter give you that race-inspired feel. There's also a digital performance data recorder that allows you to track lap times, G-forces, and more. This isn't just a cool gadget. It's a serious tool for anyone who plans to take this car to the track. On the road, the Camaro SS 1LE is surprisingly comfortable when you're not pushing it. The magnetic ride adapts to bumps and keeps the ride civilized. But when you want to play, just switch it to track mode and feel the transformation. The steering tightens up, throttle response sharpens, and the exhaust opens up with a growl that's pure American muscle. One of the best things about the 1LE is its value. You're getting near Corvette levels of performance at a much lower price. Sure, the interior might not be as refined as some European rivals, and visibility is still a bit of a Camaro quirk, but for the driving experience it delivers, it's hard to complain. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting your local track day, the Camaro SS 1LE delivers thrills without compromise. It's a car built for those who love driving, not just in a straight line, but in every curve and corner. It's loud, it's bold, and it doesn't apologize for being a muscle car in a world full of tame performance sedans. If you're looking for a raw, analog experience that puts you in total control, this might just be the perfect ride. The Camaro SS 1LE isn't about luxury or convenience, it's about passion, precision, and performance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and updates from Start Auto's Time. Let me know in the comments what car you want us to cover next. See you in the next video. Would you like a shorter version for Instagram or YouTube Shorts as well?